a little bit backwards today. This is the finished product. That was already there. We didn't do that, but new outside lever, new continuous hinge. This door was hanging over. And then this handle didn't work good. And then here's the lever trim. As you can see, this post is solid, but this post is worn out somehow. And we'll just continue to spin. So the lever itself still works, but as far as it being loose on the door, this is why, and it will always be loose until this gets replaced. The door closer was leaking. And then we also noticed the door closer is not working properly. Open the door, and then it slams right there. And if we look inside, aside from the food grease, you can see trails coming down. There are trails coming down right there, which tells us that the oil is leaking from the door closer, which is what's causing it to do that. So the door closer also needs to be replaced. And then this was also broken. So what we have here today is a broken exit device. As you can see, when the lever turns downward from the outside, it doesn't do anything. It only works on the upward. So this is broken and will need to be replaced. And if we look in here, this is from the exit device. The left side here is still intact. The right side is broken off, which is why it only works one direction. So we have now replaced everything. The door closes nicely, and you can lock it at the end of the day. You want to see what we did? Stick around. Otherwise, if this is good enough, give us a call at 855-816-5625.